everybody. Today we're getting wild in the outdoor kitchen, and I'm here with Chef Jim Kinberg, Executive Chef with Delwood Country Club. And Chef Jim, I am so excited for what's on the menu today. What are we cooking?
We are cooking elk. We're doing some cast iron elk with some sweet corn. Sweet corn's in season 2.
Awesome, and it's coconut sweet corn, isn't it?
Coconut sweet corn, yes. We're getting a little creative with it.
Sounds good. All right, what are the first steps?
First step is season the elk.
All right, let's do it.
You notice I got a little bit of olive oil here. If you want to drizzle just a little bit right over those elk medallions, those elk steaks. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on there. A little more generous with the salt than the pepper.
Cast iron has been on the flames for a while, so I'm assuming you want it pretty hot?
You want to hear that nice sear when that meat hits the pan for sure.
Nice and hot.
Yes. And that's exactly the sizzle I was hoping to hear. That's perfect. So go ahead and drop all 3 of them on there.
If you don't have elk in your freezer, you could also use venison, of course, right?
You can use venison, definitely. I mean, you could probably do something very similar with turkey breast. Wild turkey would be great, game birds of any sort. So it's been about 3.5 minutes, and we're gonna take a little peek, and you notice we got that beautiful golden brown crust I was talking about. And this is why I just wanted to rub those steaks with a little bit of olive oil, because I didn't want that excess oil in the pan burning up and getting gunky and getting that off flavor. So we just got a nice little sheen down there, and we're gonna add our onion right to that. So we've got some fresh sweet corn that I shucked earlier. We're gonna just put that right on top of those onions. All right, we're gonna give it the old finger test, and it's kind of bouncing back at me. It's still just a little soft, which is exactly where I want it. If I had a meat thermometer, I'd probably want to cook this to about 120, 125. Get all that flavor from the elk into that corn, and we're gonna deglaze with some of this coconut milk.
And is that just straight coconut milk?
That is straight coconut milk.
Perfect campfire meal. Ooh, this looks delicious. Time for a bite.
Let's give it a try. That was really good.
So good. Once again, you knocked it out of the park, Jim.
Thank you.
As always, it's wildly delicious.